Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and thank you for joining us today. It is with great excitement that I introduce to you a smartphone that blends style, power, and innovation, the Vivo V50e. In a world where smartphones are more than just communication tools, the Vivo V50e steps in to redefine what it means to combine premium aesthetics with powerful functionality, without breaking the bank. Design that captivates. Let's begin with the first thing you notice: design. The Vivo V50e boasts a sleek, ultra-slim profile that feels as good in the hand as it looks to the eye. Its 3D curved screen, enhanced by a shimmering AG glass finish, gives it a modern, luxurious appeal. Available in elegant color options like insert actual color variants here, sapphire blue and pearl white, the V50e makes a statement, bold, yet refined. With a lightweight build and a perfectly curved back, this phone is designed for those who appreciate beauty, comfort, and class in a single device. Display that delivers. Now, let's talk about the display. The Vivo V50e comes with a stunning 6.77-inch AMOLED display, offering full HD+ resolution. This ensures vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and ultra-smooth visuals, perfect for watching your favorite shows, scrolling social media, or gaming. The in-display fingerprint scanner adds both convenience and a futuristic touch. Whether indoors or outdoors, you get a consistently bright and immersive viewing experience thanks to its high brightness levels and intelligent eye protection features. Power meets performance under the hood. The Vivo V50e is equipped with a powerful chipset, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm chipset processor, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB per 256 GB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, responsive gaming, and fast app launches. Whether you're streaming, editing photos, playing games, or hopping between apps, the V50e handles it with ease, keeping up with your lifestyle effortlessly. And with extended RAM technology, Vivo adds an extra performance boost when you need it most. Capture every moment. Photography lovers, this one's for you. The Vivo V50e is fitted with a versatile triple rear camera system, led by a high-resolution 50MP main sensor. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape, a close-up detail, or a low-light night scene, the V50e captures it beautifully. Complementing this is an ultra-wide sensor and a dedicated macro lens for those detailed close-ups. The 50MP front camera ensures your selfies are crisp, clear, and social media ready. With AI enhancements and portrait modes, every shot becomes frame-worthy. All-day power, all-day fun. Battery anxiety? Not with the Vivo V50e. It packs a robust 5,600 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. And when you need to refuel, 90W flash charge technology gets you back to 70% in just around 30 minutes. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's built for people on the go. Smart software, seamless experience running on the latest FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and packed with smart features, from dynamic themes to advanced privacy options. The software complements the hardware perfectly, ensuring a smooth, personalized experience every time you unlock your phone. Final thoughts. So, what is the Vivo V50e? It's more than a smartphone. It's a statement. It's the perfect harmony of performance, style, and innovation all wrapped into one sleek package. Whether you're a student, a content creator, a professional, or just someone who loves good tech, the V50e is designed with you in mind. Affordable, powerful, and elegantly designed, the Vivo V50e is here to elevate your mobile experience. Thank you.